Hi everyone, this is Melissa from Imagine, and today I'm going to be making this adorable little card using this Joy Clair shark stamp set. And I've already colored up my little shark in alcohol markers, so I've stamped in Memento Tuxedo Black, and then I went ahead and colored up that shark for you ahead of time. And we'll be putting him on our card. So this set again is from Joy Clair, and there will be links in the description box below to all of our products. I'm also going to be using these beautiful blue VersaColor ink pads, and the colors for that are Mountain Lake, Lapis, and also Cyan. I'll also be using the Paradise VersaFine Clair, and I'm using the little waves that come in that shark set and stamping those on this little piece of white cardstock that I've already trimmed out with a die cut. And I'm inking up the stamp twice. The first time I just stamp it normal. The second time I'm inking it up and then removing a portion of the ink right to the point of that wave, so I get a continuous wave all the way across my cardstock. And now I'm going to be taking this cute little stencil, again linked below in the description box, and using those 3 VersaColor inks that I told you about, starting with Cyan, then going to the Lapis, and then finishing with the Mountain Lake. And again, all of those will be listed below in the description box too. But I just vary the colors back and forth. As you can tell, I've sped up the video quite a bit because it takes me a while to go back and forth between all of the colors. But I just want a pretty variation in the color of that ink for those waves. So you can see I do get that variation that I wanted in the color, but I have a lot of white space. So I'm going to take my fireworks spray, and this is Summer Sky, and I'm spraying it down. Now you can see I get some splotches, but because I've used the Bristol Smooth cardstock for this, that I forgot to mention earlier, I can take a paper towel and just simply draw up those big blobs, and I'll still have a nice light blue pattern in the background, or a light blue color that goes over all the white so that it does look like a blue water. Now I'm going to be taking the Neon Amplify, and you want to make sure that you shake this up before you put it down. And then I'm just putting that on the top of my wave so I can get some beautiful frothy waves. When you're finished with your Neon Amplify, you want to make sure you wipe the tip off with a paper towel and put the lid on right away. Now I'm taking my heat tool and simply heating up that Amplify, and you'll see that it's going to puff up and gives me very frothy, foamy waves. The one thing I found with the Neon Amplify is if you put it on thin, you'll get a much better reaction later on. Now I'm taking the thin frame that came from the die cut and inking that up again with the Lapis and a large sponge dauber so that I can have that frame a nice light blue. Now see, you can see here I've adhered my card using my On Point glue and also my Tear It tape. That finishes today's project. Join us again here at Imagine.